Hi guys, I want to tell you about this app. All you have to do is share the link to earn $2 for every person who clicks on it, earn an additional $10 when they sign up. So the referrals, you have to get 5 referrals, 20 clicks, and 5 tasks. That's all you need. Right now I have $0 in my wallet because I just cashed out, and I'll show you that at the end of the video. So what I'm going to tell you, this link up here is what you all are going to have. You can share it to anyone, which they're going to, sign up or click. The more clicks you get, the more money you get. So over here, it obviously has refer and earn $30 task wall, which you can do surveys for this app. This is where you get your money. Cash out payments, click on that. And request payment is, pretend there's like 300 right there. You request a payment and it's pending right there. You can use PayPal, Bitcoin, cash out, anything you want just to receive your money. You will receive it, trust me. So go download this app, click the link below, and it takes up to 2 weeks at least.